Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off tap to wake Android. The first method, activating double tap on Samsung. Open settings. You'll find the gear icon in the quick settings menu if you swipe down on your screen, or you can find the gear app icon in the app drawer or by searching. Then tap lock screen. Scroll down to find this menu option next to an icon of a padlock on a blue tile. Then, tap the switch next to Always On Display to toggle it on. The toggle will be blue and pointing to the right when the feature is on. Skip this step if your Always On Display is already on. Then, tap Always On Display. You'll see more options on your screen. Select Tap to Show and close the menu. Now, you can tap the screen to show the Always On Display. If you want to change the command to a double tap, press the back navigation arrow on your phone to return to the main settings menu and continue to the next steps. Method 2. Tap Advanced Features. You won't see this option until Always On Display is enabled. You'll need to scroll down to find this option next to a gear icon on a yellow tile. Then, tap Motions and Gestures. It's in the second grouping of menu options. Then tap the switch next to double tap to wake to toggle it on. The switch will be blue and point to the right to show it is on. Now, you've successfully activated the double tap on screen Samsung. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.